Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is September 22nd, 2022. I am back. We're going to give you all another predictive content video to which we're going to try to see where the market in Stepn is about to go. You guys can see my last price prediction in Stepn didn't go right. I mean, immediately after I did the video, immediately after I did the price prediction, the market in Stepn went completely down. Now, before this price prediction that you guys see on the screen, I was actually looking for Stepn to go down. But as I saw time go on and I saw how the market in Stepn was continually staying itself, or the price staying above my ascending line, I was like, okay, cool. The market obviously is trying to tell us that price is trying to go up. And as soon as I did that video, look what happened to the price. So yeah, this one didn't go right. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this one out. And then we're going to look at the market in Stepn again and see what is the truth regarding where price is going to go next. So if you guys want to join me, hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. Now, in order for us to learn from these type of predictions and forecasts, especially when it doesn't go the way that you expected it to go, we need to see going forward how we needed to cut the play. At what point should we have known that what we expected wasn't going to happen? Okay, so when you look at this particular price prediction that I did in Stepn on August the 17th, right? You guys can see, let me zoom in on this price chart. You guys can see that when I did the price prediction, the market the next day on the 18th of August came all the way down to 90 cents. Now 90 cents was the spot, the location that I had created, saying that if the price doesn't fall below this 90-cent area, we're going to continue to look for the price to go up. Well, look what happened on the 19th. This is where price completely fell below our ascending line. It completely traded below my 90-cent support area. So this was the day that would have told us we need to let the play go. So that would have been a loss on the close of the 19th of August. That would have been a loss of around 25.5%, right? Now, 25.5%, you guys may be thinking that that's huge. That's a lot. Yeah, but if you would have stayed into the play and saying, well, I'm going to give it a couple more days. I'm going to wait. I'm going to be a bag holder and just hold on to Stepn. Well, currently you're down almost 40% right now. So 25.5 versus 40%. This is how we need to know when we need to cut the play and when we need to hold on. The market told us in Stepn, once we broke this trend line, that we're going to go lower. It was just simple. Once that occurred on these 2 days, the 18th of August as well as the 19th, that should have told us, hey, your idea or my idea of looking for price in Stepn to go up is not going to happen. See, this is how you're able to eliminate that emotion, that doubt, the fear of, okay, well, it might go up the next day or the day after that. So I'm going to wait, I'm going to hold. And then you'll see now, if you would have, you've been down around 40% though. So let's go ahead and cut this out. Let's get right back into position. Now, first of all, I wanted to show you how the market in Stepn is really coming through, and it is creating another basis of support around 60 cents, right? We've been here before. It's nothing new that the market in Stepn hasn't traded before, but this is going to be real important again, just like the last time how we identified the trend in Stepn. Well, we're going to identify the support area. Okay, so this bottom line here represents where the seller, I mean not the sellers, but the buyers are located. This is where the buyers are coming through and holding this cryptocurrency's price. As long as that maintains itself, we will expect the market at best just to trade within the consolidational trading range. Okay, now this top portion is still viable, even though we're not trading up there around $1.11 in Stepn. This is the closest area of resistance for Stepn right here. Okay, so the closest area of rejection or resistance will be up here around 80 cents, even though this $1.11 is also going to play a vital role once the market begins to go back up. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see what the market currently is doing in Stepn right now, because we want to know, right? We really want to know if the buyers are going to come into the market in Stepn right there around 60 to like 57.5 cents. We have to see that first before we even consider looking for the market in Stepn to go up. This is not even a buy until we see that happen. And currently, looking at this on a daily time frame, the market is still getting hit with a lot of selling, even down here at the support line. So we still have to be cautious into whether or not the market in Stepn is going to continue to go down or up. Okay, because one thing that we do not like to see as we see market trade is weakness at areas to where we should be seeing strength. We should be seeing strength price bars right down here around 60 to 57.5 cents. We should be seeing that. And right now we're not even close to seeing strength coming into the market and Stepn right here. Here's Stepn right here on the 5-day chart. And again, not seeing too much. Now we got 13 hours and 15 minutes left on this current 5-day price bar. So anything can happen in the next 13 hours. If we see the market close down here at the bottom of this 5-day price bar, then yeah, we need to be prepared for the price to break this support line and go lower. Let's look at Stepn here on the monthly chart. And again, you guys can see that we have 17 days left, and currently we're not seeing any strength coming into the market there. The 3 weeks chart, not seeing a lot going on here. 2 weeks, again, not too much there. So let's go ahead and look at this on the hourly chart because we want to see we're getting some strength here. And here you all can see from an hourly perspective, we are actually seeing buyers enter the market, which is a great thing. Okay, right here on these 3-hour price bars is where we're seeing the strength coming into the market in Stepn. Okay, so from an intraday basis, on an hourly basis, we could actually see the market in Stepn try to pop and try to move higher. Now, with that being said, we can see already that this area of 63 cents is resistance, as well as 65 cents. Both those areas is holding back the buyers into the market in Stepn right there. The 5-hour chart, you guys can see it here again. I think the price is going to continue to go up on an hourly basis, maybe hit that 65-cent level in Stepn and then come back down, or we might even see the market reach up there towards 69.5 to 70 cents. Okay, but no way, no shape, no form am I looking for the market in Stepn to run up there to a dollar. Not yet. Okay, so I do like it on the hourly chart though. So this is going to be my price prediction. This is not going to be a long-term play, so just get that straight. I'm looking at this from an hourly perspective, looking for the price in Stepn to trend higher because we are surely in a downtrend. So let's not act like the market is bullish, because it's not. But we can anticipate the market in Stepn trying to continue to go higher. So you'll have to look at your price chart on an hourly chart. Okay, so this is it on a 9-hour chart, and like I said, 65 cents is going to be first. So that's 3.5% move higher. Stepn there. My second area is going to be around 70. Okay. Now this is going to be contingent on the price staying above this particular level right here that I identified as support around 57.5 cents. Okay. So let's push this all the way to the beginning of November. So that is it. I'm not truly bullish into the market in Stepn, but from an hourly perspective, I'm looking for price to try to reach up to 65 cents, possibly even 70 on the daily time frame in Stepn. Now, as time continues to go on, though, if we continually see the market in Stepn hold support, like let's say the market breaks 65. And then it comes down and holds support at 65, then definitely we're going to look for a hit to 70. Let's say the market grabs some support around 70, then we're going to run it up to around 75. That's how you want it to play the market, right? You want to kind of continually let the market confirm where price wants to go. So this is what I'm looking at right now. This is your opportunity though. You guys don't have to see and believe what I'm saying. I want you all to think logically on your own as you come in and look at these price charts. So tell me, what is your price target in Stepn? Are you looking for the price to trend higher, or are you looking for the price to continually go down? Because once we see this market break the support line, yeah, we're going to come back down to 40, maybe even lower than that. But as of right now, we're going to look for the market in Stepn to do this price action here. And this is not long term. Like I said, look at this on the hourly chart to make sure that you see price in Stepn hit at 65-cent price, then eventually 70. All right, let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.